How to get verified on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To get verified on Facebook, it is much more simpler now. If you don't know how, just go ahead and launch a Facebook application in your device. If you don't have the app, no need to worry, just launch a preferred browser and search for facebook.com. Make sure to log in into your Facebook account. Then in the top right corner, you will see the three horizontal line. Tap on this given option. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Click on the Settings option. From here, tap on Meta Account Center. Under Account Setting, at the bottom you will see Show your profile is verified. Click on this option. Then, right here, you will see the button Join Waitlist. You need to click on it. After this, you will see an interface like this, which means you are on the wait list. After that, you will get notified when the wait list is over, and finally you'll be getting the blue badge. Just ensure within this time period you do not break any of the terms and conditions of Facebook. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.